It's another great day. We're live from Las Vegas, celebrating 10 years of reInvent. I'm Melissa Paranchero. There are 233 AWS heroes from 50 countries. Who are these heroes? Two of them include Yvonne Roberts and Chris Williams. Let's head over to Rudy Chetty. He's with Ross Berridge, AWS Principal Developer Community Manager. Hello, Rudy and Ross.
Ross, what are AWS heroes?
Yeah, well, so the AWS community is filled with so many passionate builders who really care about sharing knowledge with one another, peer-to-peer knowledge sharing. And within these communities, there are a few individuals who really go above and beyond and are natural leaders and giving back to the community, creating content, and really going out of their way to teach others about AWS. And so those select few individuals are AWS Heroes. And so AWS Heroes is a program that recognizes and acknowledges these really special individuals who are natural leaders in communities and are really making a difference in our AWS communities.
Oh, that's great to hear. I mean, look, you mentioned the passion with these super fans. Where can people learn more about these superheroes?
Yeah, so we do have a website, aws.amazon.com/heroes. There's lots of information there. Each hero has a bio page, and within the bio page, there's information on how heroes can be contacted. Heroes are really standing by wanting to hear from people in the community, whether it's on Twitter or on LinkedIn or on other mechanisms. So if you're interested in learning more about the Heroes program and connecting with the hero, please do check out the website. And if you see someone who has common interest, please reach out. Heroes, again, have so much passion and enthusiasm. They love to hear from AWS builders who have common interests.
Oh, love it. Heroes love to hear from other super fans. But look, there's also a very unique track at reInvent, led not by AWS employees, but by these heroes. Yvonne, can you tell us a bit more about this?
Yeah, so there are 6 great sessions. You could definitely check it out on demand. I got to do one of those sessions, which was a lot of fun. For me, creating content is really about being able to tinker with these new products and technologies and features, and then share it with folks that they don't have to go and spend the time researching and figuring it out, and they can just implement, this clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps, and then implement and focus on their business metrics. And myself and a lot of the other heroes, I mean, really that's where we're here for, is to kind of make it easier for you, to kind of teach you about some of these new features so that you can run wild and make amazing things.
Oh, I love it again. Run wild, make amazing things. But Chris, if we go to you again, how else can AWS builders connect with and learn from heroes?
Absolutely. So we have over 500 AWS user groups and communities throughout the world. If you go to the website, you can find out where the user group is in your local community. Reach out to the folks there, the user group leaders, the community builders, the AWS heroes. We're all extroverts. We all love talking about AWS services and technology and surrounding ourselves and the community. We love to share knowledge, and we love other people that love to share knowledge as well. And this community is fantastic. The folks that come out to these user groups,
yeah.
If you are a newbie, you are welcomed with open arms. If you are a super advanced user, you are welcomed with open arms. And everybody is teaching everybody else, and no matter how far down the path you are, there's always something new to learn. And so the AI and the ML stuff, the IoT things, the services, infrastructure, there's so many aspects and so many services that we love to deep dive down into at the meetups and through blog posts and through all of our community efforts. It's a really great way to just learn, to skill and level up and get better at it.
Okay, a great way to level up, folks. That's a nice way of putting it. But Ross, any closing thoughts for our viewers out there?
Yeah, I mean, I guess 2 things. First off, I did just want to thank Chris and Yvonne and also all of the 233 heroes around the world. Some of them are here in Las Vegas, many others are at home. But thank you to all the heroes. AWS really does value and appreciate everything that you do. And then again, anyone who's interested in getting more involved, please get involved with your AWS community. Check out the AWS Heroes website. And if you see a hero who you think has common interest, please reach out and connect with them. They are standing by waiting to hear from you and to get connected.
That's awesome to hear. Well, look, I must say that Chris and Ross, you guys are my heroes because you're actually taller than me. Sorry, Yvonne. But look, our heroes are constantly creating content. They really are rock stars. But back to you at the desk.
That they are. Thank you all so much. I'm Melissa Perrin-Cheryl, and you're watching Live from reInvent.